Mike and Matt here, your barbecue cleaning experts from Canadian BBQ Boys. In this video, we're going to be talking about the importance of maintaining your grill. When it comes to proper grill maintenance, there's three things to keep in mind.
So Health Canada has actually released a statement saying that proper grill cleaning and maintenance is very important before the use of your barbecue. If you haven't cleaned and maintained the barbecue within the last 6 months, there's a good chance that insects or rodents have actually lived or snacked in the barbecue and have actually left droppings behind. This can release potentially dangerous toxins into your food when you heat up your barbecue.
When it comes to safety, if you're a frequent griller, you'll often find that you're having flare-ups and grease fires as a result of grease drippings dropping through the inner components of the grill. We actually have a first-hand experience of that of a family friend who actually experienced a grease fire so big that it burnt down half their house. If you look at local authorities and fire departments, they'll actually frequently recommend that you maintain and clean your grill in order to avoid this from happening.
Now the last point is performance. So if you haven't cleaned your barbecue, you can be seeing uneven heat distribution or poor performance, so your barbecue isn't reaching as high as a temperature as it once did.
So overall, when it comes to grill maintenance, it's important the health aspect of making sure that the food you place on there is healthy to eat, safety aspect, making sure you reduce flare-ups and grease fires, and the performance aspect, making sure that the food you put on tastes as good as it can taste. Thanks for watching. Can't wait to hear your comments below.